All right. So for those joining us, like I mentioned earlier, that we have a slogan for this event. If I say ERC 2025, you type in the comments box, in the chat box, and say skill up, stand out, and succeed. Are you ready to skill up? Are you ready to skill up? Please, let's send our reactions. Let's send our reactions if you're ready to skill up. Our reactions, our reactions, our reactions. ERC 2025, skill up, stand out, and succeed. Do we have our HOD on the call?
Yes, she is. She is, please.
All right. All right. Now, it's my great honor to invite a key stakeholder to deliver the official welcome address. She is the head of department for business entrepreneurship and executive education at the prestigious University of Ibadan School of Business. Please, I want our reaction. I want our reactions. I want our chat coming up. Join me as I welcome Dr. Siyanbola Omitoyin to offer a warm welcome to all participants and partners. Our reaction.
Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am. You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Good morning, everybody. I am glad to join the meeting this morning, and standing on the existing protocol that has been established, I want to welcome you to this first edition of this program. You see, just like Monica had addressed when she was doing the breakdown of the things we had to learn, stating the objectives and things like that, she had mentioned she came up with so many statistics when it comes to employability. And that is why I have keyed into this program, and I'm asking as many people as possible to also participate in this program. When you talk about the issue of employability, it has been observed that we have so many graduates that are not employable. We have so many graduates that even the hard skills, they have not mastered the hard skills, talk less of the soft skills. And a lot of businesses now, a lot of opportunities now don't no longer depend on the hard skill alone, but also the soft skill that you can use to maneuver. Monica talked about a number of these soft skills when she was iterating what we have to do for this program. Negotiation skills, communication skills, critical thinking, and even intelligence quotient and everything. These are skills that are needed in today's businesses or today's environment to make your business to thrive well. And so I want to appeal to everybody. A lot of jobs are out there beckoning for people to take them on, but the skills are not there. People have not taken time to build up the skills that is needed for today's economy. You also discover that AI is taking another dimension and taking jobs to another level. And skills around AI also we must learn these skills around AI so that we can remain relevant. This particular program is a program that will make every graduate, everybody relevant in today's economy. People are screaming, the businesses are not doing well, these are not happening, just because the skills required have not been learned. So I want to employ everybody on this platform, people that have applied for this course. I also will join this course when it comes into Flupon. This is the first time that we are launching this course, and I want to welcome you. For the people that are here, congratulations for setting the pace. And I know that by the time you go through this course, you will have been able to see where your deficiencies are. You'll be able to take care of those deficiencies. This course is going to open your eyes to areas that you have never really thought of, and abilities that you need to enhance, trainings you need to get, and this particular training is going to take you to the next level. I wish all the participants a good time, and I want to congratulate the organizers of this program for the timely and good idea. I want to apologize that some people are supposed to be here that I've not sent invitation to. I'm sorry about that. Professor Adedeji was very much interested in this program when I mentioned it to him. Unfortunately, I am talking to you from Gombe. I had to travel to Gombe, so I'm talking to you from Gombe right now. But for you to know the importance of this program, I needed to join, drop every other thing, and join this particular program. So congratulations to the organizers, congratulations to the participants, and I believe at the end of this program, we will have been able to add one thing or the other as value added to our lives so that we can remain relevant. This particular program has to do with addition of value to our lives and to our businesses. So we are talking about value proposition, which is going to make you and myself more valuable, more accessible to whatever is going on in our environment. The University of Ibadan School of Business is also partnering with this. It's a collaboration such that even the students that finish from US School of Business would have learned one or two skills probably that have not been taken care of in the process of teaching in the class. They will also have learned one or two things from this particular program. I think one of the things that we need to add on is that our innovation camp, a thinking camp, we need to look at it again and again in School of Business. And this particular program is serving to complement this. So congratulations to the organizers, congratulations to the participants, because we know that our value proposition is going to be improved after this particular program, and we are going to remain relevant in the various fields, whether in business or in management or in our various enterprises. Thank you very much for coming. I welcome you to this first edition, and I know that from this first edition, many more editions will come up, and this particular program will grow in leaps and bounds. Thank you for coming. You are welcome, and this program is declared opened in the name of God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Thank you.
Thank
Amen.
you very much. Thank you very much, Ma, for that inspiring welcome and for setting the stage for what promises to be an impactful program. Please, a virtual round of applause for our dear HOD. Let me see the reactions. Let me get the reactions. All right. We're moving quickly for the interactive section. It's just for 5 minutes before I call on our executive chairman for the next session. So I know we've been having a great time. We've been getting a lot of insightful words that would shape us in the business world and all. So I would like to call on Unique. Yes, Unique. Sorry to put you on the spot, but can you just give us a recap or a brief in just 60 seconds of what you've learned so far in this 3 session? Do I have Unique? Is Unique on this call? Yes, Unique is on the call. Yes. All right. So you can unmute your mic. Just give us what you've learned in 60 seconds. Thank you. Joshua should get ready. Joshua Oyewumi should get ready. Please, let's unmute his mic, please.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. To my mentor, Dr. Chasapoki, thank you so much, Daddy. And to Sir Adu, thank you so much. And to every other persons, good morning, good morning. First of all, I want to say I appreciate all the speakers, and I've learned a lot. So let me just start from the first speaker. I learned how to manage myself, and I learned how to manage my time and resources. Um, Planning ahead of whatever I want to do is very, very important. And as at the same time, building vision. I must know where I'm going to. I must know what I want to do. I must know the reason why I'm doing the things. So vision is very, very important. I want to say I learned a lot from that aspect of vision and the aspect of compound. I also learned a lot on how to invest and save for the future as well. I want to say that was really, really inspiring. And to my mentor, Dr. Chasapoki, sir, I want to say thank you. He opened my mind. I've been following him for a very long time and I've attended a lot of his mentorship classes. So um the things I learned right now from him, first of all, he opened my eyes to being putting yourself in the spotlight from the things you have learned even from the secondary school days, not just because you have learned those things and it is already over. Now you just want to say, "Eh, it doesn't matter anymore." Trying to work with those things you have learned before, it will give you opportunities that you never expected. The things you learned can give you opportunities you never expected. I think I've learned a lot from Dr. Chadapoki this morning. Thank
Yeah,
you so much.
thank you so much, Unique. Thank you very much. Thank you for sharing what you have learned. So now I'd call on Joshua Oyewumi. Can you please share what you have learned so far? Is Joshua Oyewumi on the call?
All right. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, I kudos to all the previous speakers, and it was very, very insightful, and it was so participating. Like, all what I learned was just an eye opener because I'm very sure most of us have an idea about all what is happening around us. So the speakers really talked about many other things about the vision and how we can put a lot of things in place. So we just need to like get ready. So this is just a self thing that we just need to work on. So that's just it for me. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much, Joshua. And one last person, I'm not going to call anybody, but you can just signify by raising up your hand if you want to share what you have learned so far. Anybody? Anybody? All right. I can cite Omowa. Yes, Omowa. Can you please share what you've learned, either from the second speaker or from the third speaker or from the first speaker? Omowa, are you there?
Thank you very much, Ms. Musumola. I actually had to go join a work call. I was in the meeting when Dr. Omitoyin was addressing us, and I had to quickly join a work call. I just got back in. Yeah, thank you very much.
All right. I have Uzuamaka here. Yes,
Sorry, I didn't
Uzuamaka.
hear what you said just now. What did you say just now? I had my name.
She said
Yes, I said
she
that
just
I was in the meeting when you were addressing us. So that was the part where I was really active. I had to join the work call immediately after that. I just rejoined a few minutes ago when Unique was speaking.
all right. So we have Uzuamaka in just 60 seconds. Can you just give us a recap of what you have learned so far? Thank you.
Hi, Mosun. Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. I would like to start by saying, thank you very much, to the three speakers that just enlightened us, this afternoon. It was very amazing. It was an electrifying speech. We really do appreciate them. I will just, others have spoken about it. Just for me to, hello?
Proceed. You can proceed.
Oh, okay.
You
All
have
right.
30
So I just
seconds.
Sorry, okay. I just want to hit on one thing that Dr. Charles spoke about, or a statement that he made that just got to me. He said, as valuable as knowledge, which is education, is, the ability to acquire it is more valuable. Like, this is very, very insightful. Like, I'm going to run with this statement that he made. So it's not all about the knowledge itself, but the ability for you to know that you need that knowledge and search for it is very, very amazing. Thank you to the three speakers, and thank you to everybody.
All right. Thank you, Uzo and Maka. ERC 2025. Skill up, stand out, and succeed. Are we having a great time? All right. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Mr. Ado. Thank you, everyone, for participating in today's meeting. Do not forget to go through the website www.erc.ng to get registered. Don't forget, we have a free sponsorship for 10 persons. Please register, and you would, it's going to be a powerful session. So see you in
Mola,
class. Sir.
yeah, please, permit me to end with a call on the HOD to
All
give
right.
us a closing remark and
Yeah.
bid us farewell.
All right. Thank you.
I would just hope that she's not in a meeting already. She has been in the session all along.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you very much. I've been part and parcel of the program, and I want to say that it's been a good program, an eye opener, and a program that is really compact. And I'm sure anybody that participates in the program eventually will have value for participating in the program. The program is actually interesting, and the packaging it's wonderful. The people you have brought today, they have been able to share from their own wealth of experience, and I think people have benefited so greatly. I want to say it's a good beginning, and I know the partnership with University of Ibadan School of Business will be a worthwhile partnership, and it's going to take both programs, both the organizers and UIS School of Business, to the next level. I'm sure the impact is going to be more at the end of the day. Other discussions will continue when we see with the organizers of the program. I want to say thank you for the people that have participated, and thank you to the contributors that have shared their lives with people. I think we are beginning to have more of life of influence and impact, and many more generations will be impacted by the grace of God. Thank you very much. It's been a wonderful time, and God bless you. And warm welcome from Gombe. Thank you. Have a good night. Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
very much, ma.
Everyone, God bless you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm going to open the maybe